All right, it's December 28th, 2023. It's about 33 degrees. I don't know if you can tell, but it's sort of misting, raining, whatever. The door's finally going to be installed, which is cool. You know, things take time. It's not like these guys aren't busy. They're very busy. Not a bad day because it's cool. I guess it's better than 100 degrees. So they're unloading their trucks, obviously. And had to move out a few of the cars and the F-350. Cars are sitting over here. They're getting their little wash. Boy, I'm glad I keep the batteries charged. Yeah, town car had a little trouble getting started, but hey, what can I say? So these are the fellows doing the pole barn door. And they know they're getting a video done, so they're not getting weird. They didn't look like weird guys anyway. Nice trailer. Nice trailer.
What's that?
Nice trailer. You guys clearly have a system.
Yeah, we do.
You've done it once before. I'll be back. How cool is that? The trailer tilts. Yeah, they say they'll be gone around noon. Yeah. Kind of a dark day. Yeah. There's the boss man over there. It's like an assembly line. Seal. Very cool. But everybody knows I love this kind of stuff. Oh yeah. You can see the rain, hopefully, in the video. Like I said, it was another couple degrees colder, it'd be snow. Yeah. Yeah, all I can say is very organized, very disciplined. They got their way of doing it, which is nice, makes it efficient. All right. Got a little more later. So they're setting up these frames. They're perfectly vertical. He's measuring the distance between here and the one over there, which matches what they're assembling here, the door panels. Yeah, it's an assembly line process. Yeah. Pretty cool to watch. Insulated door, of course. In case you never know, in the future this place may need to be insulated. No reason to have a door that isn't, even though it's currently cold storage. pilot hole. That's good. He's going to put in his finishing his bolt screw. Quite the symphony of people doing all their work. I'll be there. First panel's going in. They got the tracks for the wheels going on. Checking the level. You happy? Are you happy? Oh, good. All right, I'll be back.
Push down. There. You just stick your finger in there. That's what I'm doing. So, but there's two. Okay, stop right there. To your right just a little bit. So you need your end to go to the right or to the left? Tell me where you want that to go. No, don't go back. You tell me where you want the shaft to go. I'll bring it to you. Yeah, I want the shaft to come to my right. Now off up there, push. Okay, you're right in the hole. That's good. All right, ready? It's perfectly flush. Okay.
Sorry, there isn't much commentary, but they're obviously getting the springs ready. Look at the size of those springs. They're huge. I've been told that these springs can be quite deadly. Not a do-it-yourself or servicing kind of thing. They're going to insert the door. They insert one end first, then walk the other end in. This, with past performance, is any indication of future performance. Yeah. He's going to guide his ball in, the wheel in. They hook it in. And then he's going to walk the other side in. And it's down. All right. Going back to the springs, they're running another rod in. Good. No problem, can't be solved with a hammer. Hammer will solve everything. Oh yeah. All right. We're making progress. I'll be back. Just to show you the symphony of movement. They lift it from there, carry it over to the skyjack. Yep, and they climb into the skyjack. Well, that's cute. Yeah. Oh yeah. Take it up. It's always fun. I keep saying this. It's always fun to watch people who know what they're doing do it. And once again, they'll insert one end and then walk the other end in. Oh, they're bringing it down from the top this time. Very interesting. And when they put these end screws in, just on the ends here, they actually come in like this initially when they're tightening down this top bracket. They bring it in like this, and then right at the end, they turn it up like this. And what it does is it brings the panels in tighter. It forces it in. Yep. Yeah, you can't really see it, but he's putting the screw in like this, and then he brings it up right at the end and puts it out. Great. And that tightens the panels, like I said, makes them nice and tight. They only do it on the end ones. All right, I'll be back. They're now installing this piece up on the roof. Obviously the door goes up and it turns in over on that rail. I did learn something interesting. Offline I was asking where you lubricate it, and obviously it's way up there, but you put the lube on this here. And then when the wheels roll in, they grab the lube as they're operating. Obviously, I'll have to get a really tall ass ladder. He says do it once or twice a year. I think it depends on use of the door. So that'll be easy enough to do. Although the biggest issue is I hate heights with a passion. I've quit enough jobs because of heights. So I'll have to find somebody who's not afraid of heights and have a very tall ladder. It'll work out fine. Oh, the space is starting to get illuminated. Even though it's raining and stuff, it is now, oh gosh, almost 10 o'clock. And you can tell that the sunlight's starting to come into the space, which is the way it was designed to do. That's why it's got all this glass along here, which is facing south. So, another quick short video. I'll be back. All right, guys. Well, kind of a sad ending today. There was apparently a mismeasurement. We don't know who. But this part, apparently, which goes up there, strikes one of the overhead beams. And they're trying to figure it out. So what they're going to do is disassemble the entire door, store it over there. There's no reason for them to take it home. Wait for somebody to figure out what the problem is in terms of installing the door. The hardware isn't right. And then they'll come back out in 2 weeks or a month or whenever. And they're going to pack it in that corner nice and tight. Cover it up with the cardboard they've got over here. Life goes on. Apparently I'm supposed to get angry, but I looked at him and said, what good does it do to get pissed off? So they're just going to store all the stuff here, wait till the solution comes up, and we'll go from there. So we'll get to see this all over again. So, love y'all. Peace out. Well, I thought it'd be interesting to just see the ending. The door's been disassembled because they're still waiting for the fix, whatever it might be, for the roof or the ceiling. And I said they could store all the parts here. It makes no sense for them to dump it back in their truck since they're uncertain as to what component is flawed. I mean, so they did a nice job. They stored it in the side here. I think it looks great. It's all been cushioned with the cardboard and, you know, looks pretty good. I'm okay with it. Now, am I happy that the door isn't in? No, but I don't think anybody is. And they said I was being really mellow about it. And I thought, well, what are my options? I can either say, hey, we don't know what happened. We know it's wrong. We've got a choice. We can either be chill and just accept the way it is, or I can throw a hissy fit, yell and scream, and the end result will be I'm yelling at people who didn't want it to go wrong. I'm not sure yelling and screaming makes it go faster. So my philosophy was, hey, I'm closer than I was before. You know, that's the way to look at it. Just be chill about it. We've got the parts that are necessary for having the door mounted. They've assembled all the doors. Obviously, they had to take them apart because you can't stack them assembled. They're not an accordion. But hey, we're closer than we were before. The parts are here. We'll see what happened. We'll see what the problem is up there. Who's to blame? Although I don't think that really makes a difference for me, the end user. So once again, I love you all. I had to move all the cars back in, which, you know, that's the biggest problem I have. Life is really sweet. And so once again, it's in the mid 30s, high 30s. It's raining. It didn't snow. Life is good. A little chilly. So once again, I love y'all. Peace out.